G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's April 5th, 2023. This is the natural gas price update. We're looking at the daily, the 4-hourly and the hourly. Now we'll just go through these fairly quickly. It's not a huge amount that's changed, but I've got a bit of an update on the 4-hour chart. Let me go to the daily first. As you can see here, it's still in a pretty strong decline on our CCI 1500 with the CCI still below its moving average 400, so that's still in decline. And you can see there very shallow candles being formed along that diagonal ascending trend line. And if I zoom out, you'll see it more clearly. That diagonal ascending trend line comes back from that low back there in June 2020. And it's already broken through this initial descending trend line, but again, it's pretty flat along that ascending trend line. That's on the daily. I'll talk about the hourly first. Again, you can see here it's more closely, it's still in decline on the CCI with below its moving average, and that's our key indicator. And I've got this dotted line which signifies that there was a key support area forming in the last couple of days. Now that's changed. I'm going to change that to a solid line, so that's a potential reversal area. So just be mindful of that, and I'll go to the 4-hour chart and talk more clearly on what's happening here. So if I zoom out, you'll notice here there is a divergence on the CCI tracking above its moving average on the 4-hour chart versus a bearish divergence on the price chart. So again, it's looking at that more clearly. There's a bearish divergence on the price and a bullish divergence on the CCI. There's no guarantees in any of trading instances, but that's a slight indicator of a potential reversal. So for this to fail, we need to see the price collapse below this, and I'm going to change that to a more solid line. Give it a more. So that's our new resistance support area. Sorry. So that's something to be mindful of. That's still tracking above the moving average on the CCI. Now, also I want to bring to your attention, I wouldn't be going long, I'm just giving you some probabilities. We did draw this, for the new to the channel, I'll just recap this Elliott wave count to the downside. So that one there, the 2 leg there, the 3 leg, which is quite a deep 3 leg, and then a very shallow 4 leg. And that 4th leg only bounced almost as high as a 23% retracement on the 3rd leg. Normally you want to see the Fibonacci retracement bounce below the 30 to 40, around the 30 to 40% level, and that 4th leg was quite shallow. Now, if that's true, and that still has to play out, well, the 5th leg probably hasn't completed yet, so we might see more downturn. And if we do see that, I've drawn a Fibonacci extension on that. You can see where potentially some of those areas may be at the 23% level around 1900, 38% level around 1140, and a 50% level at 600. So there's quite a bit of a fall. If it drops through there, we might see a bit of a free fall, so just be mindful of that. I wouldn't be going long anytime soon, even though there's some sort of key support area at where it is at the moment. So that's where we are at the moment with the natural gas update. As I said, not really much changed except for that key support area forming on the 4-hour chart. To understand how to properly trade using average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Support us on Patreon. Again, links in the description. Thanks, and see you in the next update.